The Nextbase 222x dashcam offers full high-definition recording at 30 frames per second, providing clear and detailed footage with its 140-degree wide viewing angle. This dashcam features an easy-to-install rear recording camera that discreetly enhances your vehicle's protection by capturing the road behind you in 720-pixel resolution. With a 2.5-inch high-resolution screen, this camera allows you to view your recordings with improved clarity and picture quality. The innovative Click&Go Pro powered car mount simplifies installation by integrating the power cable directly into the mount, ensuring a wireless and clutter-free setup. Equipped with an intelligent parking mode, the Nextbase 222x dashcam automatically records any physical movement or impact on your car while it is parked. Its compatibility with a polarizing filter further enhances image quality by reducing glare and reflections, making it an excellent choice for capturing your journeys.